So last winter I bought this product here, which is made for turning electrical conduit into low tunnel hoops. And they can be quick hoops that are things that you just stick in the ground, or I'm going to plan on making sort of a mobile low tunnel so that I can lift it and it'll be on wheels so that I can pull it to different spots in the vineyard. And my idea is to plant crops like intercrop in the vineyard in between the grape vines like I do now, only this will allow me to protect the plants from rabbits and other critters and also extend the season, of course. So the way it works is you secure this to something that's relatively sturdy. I have no idea if this spool is going to be sturdy enough. It doesn't seem super sturdy, but we'll see if it works. It might work. This always seems to be what I have to deal with in living so simply, is I don't have like a big sturdy picnic table to bolt this into like you're supposed to. Okay, so this is supposed to extend 16 inches beyond the end of this, which is about right there. And then I just leave it there. And without moving it too much, get this out of the way. Bend it around. Oops. Yeah, this might be difficult. It's working despite this spool being less than ideal. Okay. 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 It's pretty symmetrical. I think that'll work. I think I'm going to combine some of these with some 3/4 inch conduit just to add a little bit of strength every once in a while. And I might even cut this off so that these are not so tall, but I don't know. I'm not planning on planting very tall plants in here, like carrots will probably get up like, you know, that high. All right, let's try a different approach here. Try putting this in here. Exactly, but they're pretty close. So I have to say I'm pretty impressed with this gadget. In like a half an hour I was able to mount this thing and make 5 of these hoops, and it's pretty inexpensive. I don't remember how much this was. I can look it up, but I think it was like $50 or something. And then each piece of conduit is about $3.50, and these will cover quite a bit of ground when you put them over your beds. I'm going to build a frame and mount these kind of on a more permanent structure that I can move around and have a mobile low tunnel, but you can also use these as quick hoops, and if you're going to get a frost or something, you're worried about the plants in your bed, you can just put these up, drape some row cover over them, and then tack down the row cover, and you have immediate quick frost protection, low cost frost protection. And you can just, once you have this set up, you can really crank these things out. So you cover a lot of ground in a very short time making these things. And because it's galvanized conduit, you take care of these things, you bring them in when you're not using them, don't leave them out over the winter. and they'll last many, many years. Many, many years. Alright, well, please subscribe to my channel and share and like the video, and I'll see you next time.